want to answer a couple of questions regarding the weights or the plates that I use and and how to properly handle these plates. So these are, as you see from my videos, these are standard Olympic size plates. They have a lip in the front and a flat in the back. The design, this is a classic, again, old school design. The reason for this lip is obviously to for handling, for ease of handling. So to handle these plates properly is with 4 fingers, right? So 4 fingers on the lip, like such. Okay, so when we load him like such, right? So 4 fingers, 2 thumbs in the back. And you see those are loaded as such. Now, some cases in my videos you see that the lettering is inside out, right? And so, because I don't have a lot of room here, it's obviously easier to handle when it's in the front, but once, especially when I do bench pressing, whether it's incline, decline, flat, what have you, back here, because of the wall, I don't have enough clearance for me to come in. See, I can't get to it properly. So the way, and the reason why you see it inside out sometimes is simply because there's no room. So again, I'm handling it like this. I come in here and I slide it out like such, and I slide it off like such, and then we'll put it back. And that is basically the way to handle classic barbell weights. The same things go for smaller plates. Sometimes you see me doing a bus driver or some other exercises. Again, properly for a bus driver, this would be the proper hold, right? Much better than two thumbs, right? Otherwise, doing it like this, it's highly unsafe. You have more fingers in the back where there's nothing to hold on to versus the 2 thumbs in the front. So, proper way to handle it, slide it on, slide it off, back on the rack.